US indices started the day on a bearish note, and we have seen indices recovering a bit of ground here, recovering a bit here on the upside. Can we say that this is a reversal? Can we say now, after such a strong bearish momentum for days and weeks, now it is time for the indices to rally here? Or we are again looking forward to a greater correction on the downside? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading the S&P Nasdaq Dow with the US session and with the PPI data? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day with detailed analysis and logical levels. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into S&P, followed with Nasdaq, India and Dow. S&P on the hourly charts trading in a box 20-50 period, definitely offering it a greater resistance. It is very important for S&P to trade beyond 560204 zone in order to confirm the reversal. Else what is happening? Lower highs are seen, lower lows are seen. But when you see the larger movement, it is delivering higher highs and higher lows. Indeed, it is going to be swingful. The support levels now on the downside all the way towards 556040 are pretty strong. And only if you see S&P trading below 5540, you can say now the bears are taking over. Else do not treat this as bearish as of now. Yes, the stochastic at top, the MACD is trying to cross over for the buys. The RSI is trading with moderate bearishness. And if you look at the 2-hour chart, see series of bearish candle, one bounce back, and now again trying to erase. But this is possible that with the follow-up candle, it is going to break out. And thus, once you see it is staying beyond 5604, stay with the buys. On the downside, see 5550, 5540 has strengthened its position. It appears to be a double bottom level. See, divide this into two. This appears to be a double bottom, and this calls for the prices to move towards the double top, that is 5650 levels. But wait for this to break the critical resistances on the upside. The stochastic rising, MACD bullish, RSI comfortable. On the 3-hour charts, if you look at, see what the prices did is rise, reversal, then a move towards 20 period, and now trying to reverse again. Now notice couple of bearish candle retracement, and now once you see it is staying below 5560, 5550 zone, or you can expect 55 40 42, and if these three levels are taken, we are looking forward to a greater correction which might take the prices all the way 5520 and 5500 levels possibly. Yes, below that a stronger correction can also be seen. Now notice every drop offsets with the retracement towards 20, and this is no other exception. It has moved towards 20 period and it can reverse again. Be mindful of this. Indicators are trading comfortable. The MACD is under retracement. The RSI is also trying to look up first. Coming to 4-hour charts, the observation is similar, where the current candle closes is going to be of prime importance, and any drop below 5550, 5540 should be a clear indication that now the prices are going to deliver a massive move, which can in fact take it all the way towards 5520, 5500, or in fact 5450 levels very soon. Stochastic looking downwards, the MACD rising, the RSI rising. Coming to on the daily charts, what has happened so far? See, after this you can see higher lows, higher highs. This time again it is shown higher lows here, which offers a greater support, and thus it increases the importance of 55 50, 55 40 zone. And only bearishness is there if it drops below 55 50, 55 40. You can consider that as a ground for further drop all the way towards 5520 and 5500. In fact, for 5450 is also possible. Stochastic is at bottom, the MACD bearish, RSI oversold. Things are oversold, but remember, when it was overbought, it trained, it drive beautifully on the upside, and we have seen it consistently staying overbought for months and weeks. So this could not be another exception if it stays oversold for months and weeks. Looking at this first, the buying entry is now at 5604 only. Beyond this, you can expect 561820 as the first target, 5640 as the next, and then 5652 as the third. If these three levels are taken, stay bullish for 5680 and 5700 levels. Beyond that, a reversal will be seen, but appears difficult. Though these are markets, anything and everything is possible. Beyond 5700, 5720 should be the next targets. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 5570, expect 5558, 5550, 5540, 42. If these three levels are taken, we are looking forward to a greater correction on the downside, which can take the prices all the way towards 5520, 5500, and in fact 5450 levels. Trade accordingly. Let's move to Nasdaq. And before we look at Nasdaq 100, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me on Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now look at the hourly chart. See, 19,400 the support, 19,600 the resistance. Earlier in the day, I have mentioned the same, that it is going to be critical for Tech 100 to break below 19,400 360. Only and only if it breaks below 19,360, you should treat this as bearish. What has happened? Hitting the lows, it has bounced back, but what it is delivering, it is also lower highs, lower lows. Where the lows for this channel are now at 19,300. 19,300 is one critical support. Stochastic overbought here. MACD is bearish. RSI is looking downwards. Slight bearish signs here. On the 2-hour chart, similar observation. See a reversal sign, one bullish candle. The next one, if you see, it is staying above 19,600. Stay bullish for 19,660, 19,710. In fact, higher levels are also possible where 19,800 will be seen. Here the indicators are showing an up move here and are under retracement after the good drop on the first trading session this week. And the observation on the 3-hour charts is more or less same. See, after this 2 decline, it is retraced, and now with the next candle, if the price trades below 19,400 and 19,360 zone, there is no other option but to stay short. Below 19,360, 19,300 should appear, and below that, create a correction all the way towards 19,240, 200 will be there. Indicators, the stochastic is looking downwards while the MACD is bullish and the RSI is trying to rise. And on the 4-hour charts, 20 period definitely is a greater resistance, and whenever in the recent past what we had seen, 20 period offering a resistance, prices whenever diverges from the 20 period, it waits for the 20 period to come down, retraces towards 20 period and reverses. That is what is happening. This is no other exception, and now we have to wait for 19,400 360 to be taken in order to confirm the reversal here. Here's the indicators. The stochastic specifically is looking downwards while the MACD is still bullish and the RSI is rising. Coming to look at the daily charts, it has formed a double bottom and it could bounce back sharp from here. Possibility is there, but not if it breaks below the support zone at 19,400 360. I will wait and watch how it behaves at around these levels. Stochastic at bottom, MACD sharply bearish, RSI oversold. So looking at this, first thing is I will recommend you to buy at 19,540, expect it to move towards 19,600, 660 and 710. If these three levels are taken, stay bullish for 19,780, 800 as the next targets. On the downside, the selling entry now at 19,400 only. You can sell at 19,440, expect 19,400, 360. If this is the strongest support, 19,400, 360, and if these two levels are taken, stay short for 19,300, 19,200 levels as the next targets. Trade accordingly. Let's move to US30 likewise. See, yes, 20 period offering it a greater resistance. Prices retraces towards 20 period and trying to reverse here. The support levels towards 41,100 is pretty strong, and once it breaks below 41,100, we are again looking forward to 41,000 levels. Now 41,000 is something you should watch out for. Remember, every time it retraces towards 20 and 50 period, it tries to reverse. So, and yes, it has to break below the preceding lows, which means it has to now break below 41,000 in order to confirm the next move all the way towards 40,800, 40,500. The stochastic at top here, the MACD flat, the RSI is suggestive of slight bearishness. And on the 2-hour chart, see what has happened after series of bearish candle. One bounce back has appeared, moving towards 20 period, again trying to reverse. So now even if you see it is staying below 41,150, you can take a selling entry here and expect it to drop more. The stochastic is rising, the MACD and RSI all are showing a little retracement. And if you see the 3-hour chart, see what has happened. Indecision candle has appeared previous to this, and the current candle, after moving on the upside, is now trying to close in red. Where it closes is going to be of importance, because once it trades below 41,180, 150 zone, we are looking forward to the next candle, which is going to take it all the way towards 41,100, 41,000, and in fact 4,800. Indicators are showing a little retracement signs, but not yet confirming a reversal. On the 4-hour charts, the observation is similar. Notice couple of red candles, notice lower highs and lower lows. So, and yes, the larger trend is also delivering lower highs and lower lows. So where are the lows for this? Towards 40,800 and 40,500. Yes, the indicators are still bearish here, not yet confirming of a complete reversal, though a little retracement was definitely seen. Coming to daily charts, now look at daily charts here. Lower highs, lower lows, preceding candle, a swing candle here. It is closed in doji. Today it has started on a flat note. It is looking downwards. But it is not that it cannot reverse. See what could happen. This may become a reversal sign if the current candle closes in green. And this will be the reversal if the current candle moves beyond 42,000. 42,000 is the milestone it needs to break in order to confirm the reversal. Else what is happening? It can deliver lower lows today, and in fact it can deliver a bigger bearish candle, which can take it all the way towards 40,800, 40,500 levels. Indicators are still bearish. So looking at this, what I'll recommend you to sell at 41,180 or 41,200 itself. You can sell, expect it to move towards 41,140, 150 at the first target zone. 41,080,100 as the next, and then 41,000. If 41,000 is taken, I think we are looking forward to 40,800 levels very, very soon. On the upside now, remember till 40,400 levels, 40,500 levels, do not treat this as bullish. So yes, you can buy at 41,300, but then expect 41,360, 41,410, 420, and if these two levels are taken, then 41,500. Beyond 41,500 is stay bullish. We can possibly look at 41,600, and if it trades above 41,600, close your eyes, stay bullish for 41,800, 42,000 levels, which is going to be definitely a bigger hurdle for USDT to break beyond. Take your positions, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session. Do not miss to watch that update.